Hello YouTube, today we are back fixing my Lincoln. I have the front bumper off and I see over here that the crash bar did get hit a little bit, but I will try to twist that back and save it as it is not bent that bad. But what we will be doing today is taking off this fender and we will be changing out this door with the junkyard door that I got and checking if the door opens and closes properly. But first, I will tell you about the steering. Now, as I've said before, the steering in this car is stiff. So I tried changing out the fluid, it didn't help anything. I tried putting this stuff, this Walmart power steering fix. I don't know if this is complete junk or if it actually works, but it doesn't help anything so far. So I bought a used power steering pump off of eBay for $25 and I will change that out when it gets here and I will see if that fixes it. If that is not it, then it's likely the power steering rack. So right now let me begin taking out this fender. Okay, so I have this fender taken off of the car, and I wonder, can this damage be fixed? So I'm going to try twisting this back and see how it looks. Okay, so looking at it now, this is definitely fixable. So now it needs to be sanded down, body filled, and painted, and that will save me $200 instead of buying a new fender. So now, next thing I will do is take this door off and put on the junkyard door that I got. Now, even though these look close, they are not the same color. But right now I will be putting it on to see if it fits properly. Here is the replaced door. Now you can see that the color does not match, but it is very close. I will also body fill these dents in and match the panel gap so it looks a little bit better. But for right now, it opens and closes fine. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching. That's all I will be doing today. I'm going to work on this some other time, but get this. The power door locks work. However, the power window doesn't work on either switches. So that's something I'm going to have to fix. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.